This is Demetrios.
And this is Stephanos.
And this is Cooking with Stephanos.
And today we're making apple pie. We're waiting for the pan to preheat. We're gonna wash and slice our apples, and then we're gonna cut them into little chunks. The apples. Now we're gonna add half a stick of butter. Now we're gonna add the apples in. Oh, hear that sizzle. I think we need some more butter. So I'm gonna add some more butter. Now, since the apples are a little bit mushy, we're gonna add a cup of brown sugar. So they can like caramelize a bit with that butter. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit of ground cinnamon. I added a little bit extra because I like cinnamon. You can add a little or a lot if you want. Now we're going to put some of these apples in here. Okay. Alright. Make sure to smooth it out. And that's how our pie's looking. This is how our pie's looking. Person, you can add some more on top because I'm a cinnamon person. I really like cinnamon, so I'm gonna add some more on top. So it should look like that. Now, since we preheated our oven to 400, we're gonna bake the pies around 5 to 10 minutes. The apple pie, looking nice, looking fresh. Nice and cinnamon apple pie. Hit the other one, looking nice, looking fresh. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. We're ready to eat. Add some whipped cream on top and some cinnamon sugar. We pulled it out, it looked a little bad, but it's all about the taste, isn't it? We just get some here. Okay. Cheers. It's really good. Sweet, caramelized, that whipped cream. So good.
Now we're gonna put some whipped cream on here, going on here. We're gonna get some cinnamon sugar on top here. Now normally, obviously, if we were making an apple pie and we were making the crust, we would have the crust on top, but this we just had we made the inside of it. So we're putting the whipped cream and the apple. It's sort of like an apple strudel type of thing. It's a perfect blend of tastes because you got the cinnamon sugar. Really makes it sort of sweet and cinnamony. And the whipped cream on top is delicious here, and definitely Stephanos's specialty here. I definitely recommend adding whipped cream and cinnamon sugar on the top and mixing it in. It's the bomb. It's epic. And this is very good, tasty. And this is Dimitrios.
And this is Stephanos.
And this is Cooking with Stephanos. And please like and subscribe. And we will continue making videos for you. We appreciate your support. And we look forward to bringing more food videos.
Don't forget to comment on the bottom.